Welcome back to BLT, Better Leadership Tips. Today's tip is ease up a little. Under normal circumstances, in a work environment, people can be expected to be productive 85% of the time. That's not 100. Now suddenly they're working from home. Huge adjustment. So, will they work 85% of the time? Gosh, I hope so. Just be realistic. It's going to take a little bit of time for them to get used to this whole weird thing. And if they have family, for their family to get used to this whole weird thing. So work with your team to help them create processes and structure. And each person's going to be a little different, and they might need different things depending on how they operate. This is a really different experience. That whole socializing and the co-working of being in an environment together is suddenly gone. There's isolation, and it's unsettling, it's a little weird, and they're going to have to get used to it. You can help them do that. That's it for today. Come back for another BLT.